Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me in the craft room today. I just wanted to show you today the product of a little Christmas mask make that I did. I had a pile of Christmas fabrics, so I cut strips or ripped strips of several different ones. I'm going to spin you just a little bit. So there's some of the piles of what I have left. Okay, we're coming back. All right, we're done moving now. Okay, so I had my little piles and I have my bucket of trims, and I sat here and just piled them together and ran them through my sewing machine. I was just making clusters. I was a cluster making machine, having such a good time doing this. So I started cutting apart my strip, and I thought, you know what? Maybe you guys would like to see what I came up with. These are, of course, going to go into my Christmas journals, tags. Maybe some will be on my Christmas presents as additional decorations on the tags. You know, these are just cute little snippets of Christmas. So, I mean, you could use them for a lot of things. So here's the couple I've cut apart already. And I just ran one zigzag stitch right down the middle. Just layered them up. Had some poking out, a piece of lace, boom, stitched it. This one, nope, didn't feel like it needed lace. A red piece. I love this batik. This batik is gorgeous. It has like a little gold. Can you see the gold leaves? Oh, I love it. And doing these inch and a half strip, it doesn't really matter. Just cut pieces. They don't have to be square. Triangles. Look at that. That's, in no universe is that a rectangle, okay? It's totally fine. It's supposed to look, you know, thrown together. So look at this guy. Love it. I also love these little berries. They have that same kind of gold glitter thing going on. Alrighty, this one, some lace. This one got some lace. So see, I just kept pushing them and I chain stitched them. I didn't even stop in between. I just kept pushing them in. There's a little piece of lace trim on that one. And like every one looks totally different. Oh, this little word joy, someone stamped that on fabric and sent it to me in a swap. Isn't that adorable? Used it. It was a year or two ago, so I don't remember who it was, but I love it. It looks so good. And see, even though you're using the same materials, you've got quite a few to pick from, so you know, you get 6 or 8 of them and none of your little strips look the same. You just make sure there's something else on top. Maybe this one got straight cut and this one I used the, whatever those are called, you know, with the zigzag cut. Y'all know what those are called. It'll come to me in a minute. This one I put a little cheesecloth behind it. A little cheesecloth on that one. That one only got 3 pieces of fabric. This one's got 4 pieces of fabric and a lace. You know, you just go with it. Whatever looks good. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on this one. Only 4 on that one. 5 on this one. Here I switched to the swervy stitch. I don't know what that's called. On my machine it's a number 63. I have a Singer patchwork. It has a bunch of stitches. I only use them for decoration. Cute. There's a little house. Some lace. And this took me like an hour to cut all the fabric and then piece them all back together. Having fun. Look at that. I had a big old piece of trim, so I just put fabric behind it. Sticking out. Cute. That one could go either way. It could go this way. It could go this way. See, we got a triangle on this one. It literally doesn't matter. You just put these pieces together and they just look so cute. Look, there's a little tiny doily on that one. Piece of lace sticking out. And you're like, when will this strip end? It never ends. That's the secret. Just look at them. And just bits and pieces that were going to get tossed. Like maybe a scrap. Like this came off the edge of a scarf. I love these little dangles. These are going to look really cute in the retro 50s journals. That teal color. I had to make sure I got a couple of those in. those adorable? You just see him going by. There's a deer. Oh, he's gone now. He's in the pile. So this afternoon I'll be cutting these apart, sticking them in my bowl. Oh, there's a little dolly present for Christmas, little rabbit. And you will see these again in a future video. They will be on tags and page edges, and there'll be page tabs. That one, that's a really big one. I love that. There's another big one. And we've come to the end. Isn't that cute? Look at that pile. The pile of Christmas goodness. I'm glad you could stop by and visit me today. I appreciate you coming by, and if you could give me a like and subscribe if you want to see how I'm going to use these. Come on back and watch my Christmas 2024 series, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye!